to count. So the Venus flytrap is a well-known carnivorous plant which, unlike other plants, when it hasn't got enough nutrients in the soil where it lives in, it's able to feed on animals. The question is, how does the plant detect that what's fallen in the trap is an animal that it can feed on, or is some sort of other object which is useless to it? The answer is, the Venus flytrap is able to count the movements of whatever it is that has fallen inside the trap. They do this thanks to the presence of hairs inside the trap. These hairs are able to transform a mechanical signal, like the one generated by an insect that has fallen into the trap, into an electrical signal that is used by the plant to realize that what has fallen in the trap is a potential source of food. So what happens is that if something falls in the trap and only stimulates one hair, nothing will happen. The trap won't shut and the plant won't start to digest. But if whatever's fallen in starts moving and it produces two electrical signals within 30 seconds of one another, the plant will detect that as something alive and the trap will close hermetically. Then, if whatever is inside is still moving when the trap is shut, generating more than 3 signals, the plant will do 2 things. First of all, it starts producing a decomposing cocktail that floods into the trap and starts decomposing the insect inside it. And second of all, it starts to express genes that codify for sodium channels. What does this mean? So one of the things that the plant is most interested in uptaking from the insect is sodium. For this, the plant inserts into the trap some transporting channels that allow the uptake of all the sodium that has been generated from the decomposing insect. So, like in the Devil's Snare from Harry Potter, if you ever fall into a giant carnivorous plant and you would like to survive, it's best not to move too much. Thank you for watching my video. As always, I have included in the description the link to the paper, and if you really like this video, you're welcome to give me a like or subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week.